In front of me is Cubot X20, and let me show you how to activate Google Backup on this phone. So at the very beginning, you need to locate and open Settings, then scroll down to very bottom of the list and click on System. Enroll Advanced and pick Backup. And to activate Google Backup, just mark the switcher, and now it is time to add your backup account. Just click on Account, tap on OK. And actually, I've been logged in with my account, so that's why it took all the data from this device's internal storage. It didn't even ask. However, if you don't have Google account yet, like it is not connected with this device, you'll be able to provide your email address or phone number, whichever is connected with your Google account, and then provide the password to apply this particular account as your backup account. So this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.